Hello everybody. So, as you see here in the background, I got a brand new Mr. Coffee Maker from my assistant Zachary. Thank you, Zachary. Say hi, Zach.
Hello.
Anyway, I was reading the instructions. It's not as easy as I thought because you have to wash everything out and then you have to run hot water through it once. And this coffee maker that I have that he doesn't want me to show you, it's an old Mr. Coffee. And I sentimentally get attached to things because it has a story, it has a history, and I know it's time for it to go. But I'm actually going to take it home and just save it. But don't tell. Shh. So I'm going to work on this. We're going to make this. This has been monumental. Right, Michael? Everybody said they wanted to see one. I changed it out. Well, there you go. Oh, look. It's smaller.
That was
Huh? Oh,
interesting.
whoa, don't break that. No.
I'm not gonna break it.
Look at that. It's cute. Yes, I like to brew my own coffee. Maxwell House. And if you go down here, this is my life. Jeff Wicker gets me big ones all the time when he sees I'm running out. He's such a nice guy. So, happy coffee, happy Friday.